Ready to expand your business and reach millions of customers. Let's walk through how to become a seller on Temu. Start by going to the Temu website, temu.com. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Look for the link that says Sell on Temu. It's usually located in the footer section. Click on this link. This will take you to the Temu Seller Center. Here, you'll find all the information to start your application. Click the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address, create a password, and confirm your password. Next, you will need to provide business information. Select your business type, either individual or company. Enter the official name of your business, and fill in your contact information. Temu needs to know what you plan to sell and how much you can supply. Select your main product categories, and estimate your average daily supply capacity. Now it's time to verify your account. You will be prompted to verify your account either through phone number or email. Choose a verification method and follow the instructions. Congratulations! Once verified, you'll have access to the Temu Seller Center dashboard. From here, you can start listing products, manage inventory, and track sales. Happy selling!